Morphe 35XS No Silent Nights, right? So this is their collection that came out. Woo! And you can see this awesome thing. If you do not know how to do makeup, it is a step-by-step guide on how to use these beautiful colors. So let's go ahead and do this look.
Always look your best when you walk out the house. I don't care where you're going. I don't care what you're going through. You need to look your best from head to toe, okay? Make sure your hair is right. Make sure your skin is together. Make sure your teeth are clean and that your breath smells good, okay? Toothpaste don't barely cost nothing. Why your breath smell like hot garbage? You need to make sure that when you're in people's presence, that they want to be in your presence. You want to make sure that you leave an impression that people can remember. Even if you dumb it in a bag of bricks and you uglier than the bottom of a shoe, if your clothes are right and you smell good, people will say, you know what? She ain't the prettiest thing on earth, but it's something special about her. Invite her around again. Make sure you look your best, because the bottom line is this: people don't care what's in your heart or what's within your head if you don't look good. And in fact, half the time they don't want to be around you if you don't look good. I'm not saying you got to go spend a lot of money. Go get some secondhand clothes. Just make sure that they clean and ironed. I'm not saying that you got to be the richest person on earth. Get yourself some good discount shoes and stuff like that. I'm going to tell you a secret, okay? People don't really know how much your stuff costs, okay? It's up to you to make sure.
Okay, let's do some swatches really quick. I will say the colors I used were beautiful, but I think this one that I kept picking up is a little too packed in there. It's too, look at this. So this one, you really have to kind of like dig your fingers for it to come out. And it's more of a topper, it looks like, because it's not like super pigmented. So it's interesting. This is matte side. This is, I'll tell you right now, this is deep shimmer. This is medium matte. This is light shimmer. And this is light matte. So I'm just going to grab these so we can swatch these and see what I'm talking about. Boom, 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 boom. They are all beautiful. I believe they are buildable, because you can see this one. So they're not going to come out like super boom, boom, boom. You have to build them. The one thing that I do love is that this collection actually has two different mattes. Some people like a jet black. Some people like a softer matte. I can go for either or. And here we go. Beautiful. Look at that. How they just beautiful ones. When I say they're buildable, that's why. So on some of them, you'll have to, let me go to another swatch, put a second layer on. But look, this one even has a little bit of glitter in it. They're beautiful. They're buildable. They are pigmented, but you do have to work with some of them a little bit more. Other than that, I think the eyeshadow look turned out great. And I actually like this palette overall.